Let's make a vegan cheese ball, y'all. This is a recipe that I've taught in a couple of different cooking classes, and it is always a hit. You can use any kind of vegan cream cheese you like, homemade, store-bought, whatever. It's packed with herbs and sweet dried cranberries, and it takes minutes to put together. You're gonna love it. Start by transferring an 8-ounce package of vegan cream cheese to a medium-sized bowl. Then use your fork to soften it a little bit, which will make it easier to mix everything in. Now add herbe de Provence, dried cranberries, and a little bit of salt and pepper. Herbe de Provence is nothing fancy, it's just an herb blend like Italian seasoning. It includes lavender, which I think gives this cheese ball a really special, festive flavor. But if you can't find or don't like herbe de Provence, no worries, you can actually use Italian seasoning the same amount, just instead. You can also substitute a mix of other dried herbs, whatever you like. Oregano and basil, for example, would work really well in this recipe. Now mix that all together until the cranberries and herbs are all well incorporated evenly into the cream cheese. Then grab yourself a pretty plate. This is also your serving plate. Transfer the cream cheese mixture onto the middle of the plate, and then use a rubber spatula to shape it into kind of a hemisphere shape on the plate. It doesn't matter at this point if it's perfectly round, just shape it a little bit. Now dump some sliced almonds right on top of that. Don't worry about them getting all over the plate at this point. If you don't do nuts, that's okay. You can use seasoned panko breadcrumbs instead of the almonds to top this cheese ball. Now use clean hands to gently press the almonds all over the cheese ball, and as you're doing that, you can also be shaping it just a little bit more. Once you have the cheese ball shaped to your liking and it's all covered in crunchy almonds, you are ready to serve. I like to serve this up with bagel chips, but you could also use any other crackers that you like. This vegan cheese ball also makes a great addition to a vegan cheese board with like fresh and dried fruits and other little snacky things scattered all around it. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make this easy vegan cheese ball. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!